I'm on pause.
Alright, go.
Bang! Bang! Kitty goes down.
Who's gonna play with the carpet? Alright, ready? Go throw it again.
That was
Alright, come down here, do it again. Hurry up.
attempt of failure.
Oh.
He's like, where'd it go?
Right, now roll slower, slower.
And it has to go right down the middle.
Yeah.
There.
Oh, he didn't do it.
Oh, it's too dark in this area.
Don't you have light?
I don't have flash on.
Well, watch out, I do.
I didn't even get that on tape though. Mommy did. I was like, I did a good job.
Okay, roll slow this way.
Oh my god. I got terrible aiming.
Yes, you do. We've been trying this for 1 minute and 30 seconds and it's not worked.
But you're going to send it to how high? Come on.